What's the problem?
There's no places there's no home for animals, cats and dogs.
Okay, so what did you create?
We created a cat and dog house. This top one is their house, and since cats jump pretty high, we put a hole up there, and this is for the dogs. Yeah.
So I can see it. The dogs go in there?
Yeah.
Okay. So you have 2 separate areas for cats and for dogs.
We need a car, and our problem was the car is too hot. And we made a window cover to solve that problem.
Because the sun comes in?
Yeah.
So then you made a window cover to cover the sides so that the sun doesn't heat it so much. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
And this is your car?
We did a problem because we keep losing our stuff.
Okay.
The solution was that we made a detector.
How does it work?
We have to.
Go ahead, Amadou.
We pull it, and it looks like this way if we miss something. And it could sense where the thing is, so it goes where the thing is, and then when it starts to beep, that's where the thing is.
So it's on the ground when you're pulling it. It looks for your things that you've lost. Very cool. And this is the scanner. And then you pull on it with your hand. Show me that, Amadeus, how you pull with your hand. That's the handle. Excellent.
And the cool part is it even has a hand scanner, so if it doesn't recognize your hand, then it doesn't work. So like, it doesn't work on my hand.
Oh.
It works on Amadeus's. It does not matter. The stairs are too tiring, so we made a roller coaster seat with trails. And that is the special box for keeping heavy things.
So how does this work?
So it goes up like this.
On the stairs?
Yeah, on the stairs. And then you press like this button over here to make it go up. And then after you can go out like this.
And then this here you can put special things in, this little box here.
Yeah.
And then you sit in it, and it pulls you up the stairs.
Yeah.
Very creative.
The problem was that everyone's littering in the playgrounds, and what we did is...
Nope. Go ahead.
What we did is we just made like a funner way to recycle. So if you just like throw like a paper towel or or a soda can onto the hand, it will just like go in the hole.
So it made it more fun?
Yeah.
Yep.
The problem was the brother was keep coming in the girls' room. How it works is, so the tape goes on the door, then when you open the door it swings and it goes and it
What's this room?
shut.
What's this room?
This is like where like you enter the room.
Okay, and then what's this part? What's this part?
The roof.
What you tell me about that?
We made this whole structure is made out of cardboard. We tried to finish the top and the bottom, but we didn't have time. And we didn't have a...
Is this the bedroom here?
Yes.
That's the bedroom.
We didn't have space. We didn't think, since this is a model, we didn't know, so we just had to... So we didn't know we had to put a wall here, because we have to show like how it's gonna go, like the system. It's gonna go and then shut the room. Our problem was that the swimming pool is too deep for us.
What was your solution?
Our solution was making 2 hands, so people could step over here, and then 2 people would hold it up.
And how would that help the person in the pool?
So they could stand up taller so they won't drown.
So it helps them inside the pool to stand up. Can I see that real quick?